Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor. This is the start of my California vlog, and I'm here with my friend Sarah. I told her to act natural. Oh my lordy. I can't do it. Wow. So yeah, I will try to vlog as much as possible this whole week, and yeah. We'll see you guys when we get there. Oh my God! We made it! We made it! Oh God. Oh. Oh God. Yep, this is really working my calves. We're already dying. It's literally been 2 minutes. Oh my God. Hey Sarah. Hey Taylor.
Careful, there's rocks here.
Thanks for the warning. We just came from down there, and now we're going up here. It's so beautiful out today. It's literally like 70 degrees and I'm living for it. Okay, we're about to go run up a mountain, so stay tuned. Alright, I think we're gonna leave now. We're like so hungry. Hungry. We don't know where we're eating yet, but we'll see you guys when we get there. This is super random, but I'm obsessed with Sarah's piercings. Look how cute this is. So we've just been chilling at home since we got back from Panda, and now we're actually gonna get cozy and watch the show that we've been starting to get obsessed with, and it's called You. It actually has Dan Humphrey from Gossip Girl, so if you've seen that, you know who that is. We got some Flamin' Hot Lime Cheetos and some spicy sweet chili Doritos. Hey guys, it's Tuesday now and we're actually gonna go bowling. I am really excited about it because I haven't bowled in a long time. So yeah, I guess we'll see you when we get there. Not bad. we just got home from the bowling place. I won the first game, but Sarah beat me on the second one. I honestly literally sucked so bad in that second game. Like, I just kept throwing it in the gutter. I don't even know. I could not throw anything. But we're gonna actually go and change and go to Taco Tuesday, get some heat tacos and some drinks and just have a good time. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Look at my Band-Aid. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday. I'm sorry that I haven't really updated you today, but we did go to IHOP this morning. I got some French toast, some strawberry banana French toast, and it was freaking amazing. I'm pretty obsessed with French toast, so that's like always what I get when I go to like a breakfast place. But yeah, it was really delicious, and now we're actually gonna go see the movie, what is it called? The Escape Room, and I'm really excited to see it because I do really like scary movies. I did hear good things about it. Sarah's pretty excited too. But yeah, everyone's staring at me probably in the other cars. And the movie actually starts in like 5 minutes, so we're running pretty late, so we better get going. I'll see you guys after the movie. You guys, we just got done with the movie and holy shit, that was like the craziest movie I have seen in a while. Sarah and I were literally holding on to each other like the whole entire time because it was just so crazy. Oh my god, I totally recommend going to see this movie. I loved it so much. I actually hadn't even seen a trailer before going to see it, but yeah, it was just so good, and it honestly kind of reminded me of Saw, if you guys have seen those movies, but not nearly as terrifying as Saw because those movies are just too crazy. But this one was definitely up there.
Distinguish themselves as fine witches and wizards.
They're muggles, not normal.
Said they were morons. My own parents happen to be muggles, and you cool ones.
Anyway, we thought you might prefer to come with us and see a game of Quidditch.
I was supposed to make an all-in. Are we allowed to password their next? What is this school coming to? Well, in the long then.
This is cool. Gonna go on the Simpsons ride. Oh my god, it's Marge and Homer, guys.
Is expending the money. He's actually recruiting people to become minions.
These are my dogs. Say hello briefly.
Hello out there. Stop reading from the television.
Anyway, let's be.
And we have a wild and woolly route today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Series Desperate Housewives. I'll mention a couple other productions when we see that, as well as the movie Hulk with Eric Bana. You may catch sight of our little lake right here. Our newest things are these sound stages that you guys see here on the right. Out of plastic and wood, by the way, including the RV here on the left, which was featured in The Lost World, the second movie. Some of the cars and cages were featured in the third movie. Oh no! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! It's a Dilophosaurus attack! A scene in the second movie. The Grinch, directed by Ron Howard, and these are some of the sets they built for the movie. Now they took over our lot. They also used 11 of our sound stages, one just for applying all the prosthetics makeup on all the Who's and the Grinch, and it really defined the brilliance of Alfred Hitchcock.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example.
Try to get a close up and then send it to your mom right when you land and you start landing and go down.
He thought you said that. I said. Wow. Hey guys, so it is Friday right now, and I kind of just wanted to tell you guys more about what happened yesterday during my trip to Universal Studios, because I didn't really get to talk a lot just because it's kind of hard to film when there's so many people around, and I was just so busy. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you about that right now. But yeah, so basically we left at like 8 in the morning because Sarah's house is 2 hours away from Hollywood. We went straight to Harry Potter World. I've actually been to the one in Florida, but I've never been to the one in California, so that was super cool. But something really cool about the Universal Studios in California was that we were actually able to go on a studio tour of the sets of where some popular movies and shows were filmed, like The Good Place, The Grinch, Desperate Housewives, and also Jaws. So that was super cool. It's really crazy how like detailed all of their sets are and how real they look, but actually like a lot of them are made of plastic, which is just mind-blowing. But yeah, it was just such a cool experience, and I was so glad that I was able to see that. But overall, my favorite ride at Universal Studios is probably the Mummy ride, just because it's a high-speed roller coaster and I just love roller coasters. Also because like the rest of the rides are mostly just simulator rides, so it was a good change. And then another exciting thing, when we were leaving the park, we actually stopped and got one of those giant Simpson donuts. I've seen them a bunch of times, but I've never actually gotten one, so that was super cool. And it was so delicious. We got the s'mores flavor, and we basically ate like all of it, but yeah, it was super good. So yeah, that's basically the whole gist of what I did yesterday. But tonight, Sarah and I are actually gonna go on a little sushi date. We always do this whenever I come visit. It's just kind of our thing because we both love sushi. Sarah's actually getting ready right now. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that. Just gotta change and like fix up my makeup a little bit, but then we're gonna go, and I'll probably film like a little bit once we're there. Garlic edamame. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm actually leaving to go home back to Minnesota. We had a super fun week, but unfortunately it has to come to an end. I'm very sad. But yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, obviously don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. And of course, leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye-bye. I miss you. I miss you too.